Yo, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cool Fortnite thumbnails with Photopia. Photopia. I'm not sure how to say this word. I think it's Photopia, but I'm going to be showing you how to make free, quick and easy thumbnails with this app, or with this browser, actually. It's actually a free browser source. So what you want to do first is go to photopia.com. Link will be in the description. And then what you want to do is you go up here to File, New, and you want to name it whatever you want. I'm just going to make mine Thumbnail for Video. You want to make it 1280 by 720. You want to make it 72 dpi. I'm not sure what that's for. You want to make it transparent background. That's important because you don't want to be having weird stuff in it. So, and then you got this. And also, to zoom in and out, you hit on the thing, you hit your Alt button, which is beside left of the spacebar, and you click, you scroll wheel. Scrolling as far as you want. So first, what you're going to want to do is you want to go to File. Well, we already did that part. So you want to go to Google, Chrome, new browser source, and then you want to search whatever you want your thing to be. I'm just going to do blue and black background, and then I'll add 1280 by 720 HD. So then, images, you want to go to any of the above options. I guess I'll go with this one. Hit save. You want to go back to Photopia, then you want to click File, and then Open and Place. Click your picture and double click it. And then you want to go over here to the right, make sure it's locked in. So you want to click, you want to click this little check mark up here, just to lock it into place. And then what you want to do is you want to get a cool picture. I've already made my pictures, but if you want to do that, you just go like Fortnite character PNG. It has to be a PNG so it's a transparent background. So this one, you could just use this one. You can use this one. Any of them that have this boxy background, you know, like this boxy-ish background. So you want to exit or get your picture, download it, save it, all that good stuff. And then you go back to Photopia. Hold on, I messed it up a little bit. If you mess up, you just go up to here, you click on that, you click on Edit, and you click on Free Transform. And you can just turn it however you need it. Just like so. Click the check. That's a little messed up, but I can fix that easily. I'm going to fix that now. Free transform. I'm just going to put it right there. I'm just going to make it a little bigger. Just so it fits, I'm just going to make it bigger. And then check mark. And then what you want to do to add your images is I'm actually going to use this thumbnail for the video today. So you have File, Open in Place, Fortnite thumbnail. I did this one as an example. So I'm just going to put this one up here for this thumbnail. I'm going to put that up there to make it like, that's the thumbnail number 1. Then you want to click on the checkbox. Okay, I'm going to put that about right there. Hit the checkbox. If to add text, you go to the left side, hit the T. You want to go up to here. You want to make it pretty big so it's better. And then you want to put, yep, and then you want to do that. You want to, actually I'm going to delete this one because I messed it up. To delete, you just go to layers, you click that, you click delete, go back to the T, drag it like that, like so, center it, and then type in first thumbnail. Right, first thumbnail. I'm actually going to make this way smaller, it's too big. So I'm going to make it way smaller this way too, by just dragging. And then you want to go over here to this first thumbnail, you right click on that, you go to binding options, you go to color overlay, you want to go down to no, not that, that's your already made ones. You want to go down to here, maybe like here, oh yeah, color overlay, click on that. I'm just going to make it like that blue, like that color blue. And then I'm going to click on there, and then I'm going to click on yes on this, or click on that, right click on that again. Then you want to go down to drop shadow. I would definitely add a drop shadow if I were you guys. And then turn this pretty far up just to make it like make it show up back there, and then make it like that to make it go more 3D. Spread can be about there. I'm gonna make my size not very big, right there, just so it's like a shadow. And then noise doesn't really matter where that's at, I don't think. And then you're gonna click on darken, and you click on stroke. I would also add a stroke. Stroke is like the color pattern that you want it to be, so I'm gonna make it just that. I also spelled thumbnail wrong, but that's okay, I'll fix that. And I'm gonna click on this one and go to just like, I'm just gonna make this quick, I'm just gonna do that one, and then I'm gonna click size for that, like there. Click OK, and you wanna go to here, file, no, edit, my bad, edit first, there. Click on that, click on there, and I'm gonna edit this text. First thumbnail. Enter. No, not enter. Just click on the check mark, my bad. And then you're gonna go up to open in place and put in your other thumbnail you made, Minecraft thumbnail. I also made this thumbnail as another example. I'm going to put this one over here. Make it a little smaller. Okay. And then I'm going to hit, yeah. So I'm gonna hit the text button again after saying yes to that one. I'm going to erase that one because I messed it up again because I'm an idiot. Text, I'm going to drag and drop. And we're going to hit second thumbnail. I'm gonna extend this out. I think I spelled thumbnail wrong again. So then we're gonna hit that, blending options. You're gonna add stroke, color overlay, drop shadow. And then you want to just do the exact same thing, which is this. You want to just put all these back in. They should already be the same. Yep, they are. So then we want to click on edit at the top left. Click on free transform. Pull it down. Rotate it. Just like that. Gonna make it quite a bit thinner. And then I'm just gonna rotate it again. This is by far my favorite thumbnail maker ever. So then I'm just going to go to text box again. Crap. Click yes on that. I'm gonna make a huge text box. Font maximum. How to make thumbnails. Yeah, and obviously it's not going to show there, but I'm going to make it show. Then you want to hit, I'm going to all copy all this, going to make it quite a bit smaller so it can fit in the frame. And then you want to hit edit, free transform, put it right about there. And then you want to go to the here, over on the right side. You want to click on blending options. You're going to do all the same stuff, just like this. Oh, no, crap. This. How to make thumbnail. Crap. How to make thumbnail, delete the first one. How to make thumbnail, blending options. You want to add all the same stuff. And I'm also going to change the font on this one. My favorite font on here. What's it called again? Where's it at? Let me find it quick. Distant Galaxy is probably my favorite one. So you have to do that, and then you put that there. I'm gonna highlight all this, put it here. Distant Galaxy. That's obviously my favorite one because of how cool it looks. I'm going to make this down to like 85. Okay. 88, I guess. Yep, that works. Okay, and then you want to click the check mark. And I'm going to hit this again. Binding options. Blending options, not binding options. I'm an idiot. Satan. All these make it just way cooler. Or they can make it cooler, however you'd like. I'm going to make this color, that color. Gonna put it on. Okay, now we gotta put the colors. So the gradient I want is, let's just go with doesn't really matter. However we want it. That looks good, right? Yeah. So, okay. And then you want to just edit, free transform, put this wherever the heck you want to, hit the check mark. And then you got yourself a thumbnail. I'm also going to put a person with, I'm going to put a check mark PNG. Okay. Obviously get this one. This one looks pretty decent. And also this one looks good. Okay, I'm just gonna hurry up here because this video is already over 10 minutes. File, open place. Just gonna place that one right there. Put that right about there. And then you want to go up to the top, hit the check, hit file, hit export as JPG, which is JPEG, quality up to 100. You want to put this as PX, you want to put this as JPG. Attach metadata, you don't really need that. And then to apply your thumbnail, you want to go to youtube.com, go to your channel. Obviously subscribe to my channel, of course, because I'm the best YouTuber in the world, just kidding. And then you want to hit upload video. Select your file, whatever file you want to upload. Okay, so that's not a video. But you just have to click change thumbnail. So here, I'll just do a different one. Do that, and then you want to click, I think it's under more options. No. So it'll be under, I'm not sure where it is exactly. Oh yeah, here, thumbnail. Create thumbnail. You want to just image your existing thumbnail, and then you want to click one of your, click to upload your own, minimum resolution of 1280 by 720. And that is how you do it, folks. That is how you make a thumbnail for yourself for any video. You can make it over any topic or anything you want. And also, I forgot to mention this, guys. If you want to go to make your background a little blurry, you can go up to edit, and then you want to go to, where was it? No, it's under image. No? Filter, that's it. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. I like to put it up a little more. Put it all the way up, messes it all up. Put it a little bit down. I'm going to put it at 0 blur. 0.1 blur. Actually, it looks pretty decent. I don't like it blur. But yeah, you can just drag this all the way up however you want it, and that can do that. So reset. No blur. Okay. Then you gotta save it however you want it, and that is all for today's video, guys. If you guys like these videos, go smash the like button, and make sure you subscribe to Landon Cbro123, and I'll make more videos like this one for you guys. So if you guys wanna leave us a suggestion down in the comments on what you want me to make next, I would really appreciate that, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys in the next one. Peace.